Welcome to our Old Charles. Today we are going to explore in depth the United States California Quarter 2005 dollar and its value and history and what collectors should know about this coin. The California Quarter is part of the 50-state quarters program which ran from 1999 to 2008 and was created to honor each of the 50 states in the order that they ratified the Constitution or were admitted to the Union. The program was extremely popular among collectors and the general public, and it sparked a renewed interest in coin collecting across the United States. The California Quarter was released in 2005 and features a design that celebrates the diverse landscape and heritage of the state. On the reverse side of the coin you will see natural landmarks including the famous Sutter's Mill, which is the site where gold was first discovered in California, sparking the Gold Rush, a historic event that shaped the growth of the state. The coin also depicts a California grizzly bear, which is the state animal and an iconic symbol of strength and independence. The inscriptions include the state name California and the year of statehood 1850, as well as the motto Eureka, which means I have found it, referencing the gold discovery. On the obverse side of the coin you will find the standard portrait of George Washington, the first president of the United States, a design that has been used on quarters since 1932. Washington's profile faces left and the inscriptions include Liberty, in God We Trust, and the year of minting 2005. This coin was produced in large quantities at multiple mints including the Philadelphia and Denver mints, and many examples are still in circulation today. When it comes to value, most California quarters from 2005 in circulated condition are generally worth their face value of 25 cents. However, coins that are in uncirculated condition or have special qualities can be worth more to collectors. An uncirculated coin is one that shows no wear from circulation and retains its original mint luster. Coins graded higher by professional services such as MS-65 or above can command higher premiums, especially if they have perfect strike and no imperfections. There are also some varieties that collectors look for. These include coins with double dies or minting errors such as off-center strikes, missing letters, or doubled edges, although these are relatively rare and can significantly increase the value of a coin. For example, a California quarter with a notable minting error can sell for several dollars or even more depending on the rarity and condition of the coin. It is important for collectors to pay attention to the condition of the coin when determining value. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to mint state, and factors such as scratches, dents, discoloration, or cleaning can affect the value significantly. Even a coin that is only slightly worn will be worth more than a coin that has been heavily circulated and shows signs of damage. Another factor that can affect value is the mint mark on the coin. The 2005 California Quarter was produced with a P mint mark from Philadelphia and a D mint mark from Denver. Collectors often seek coins from specific mints or may try to complete a full set of 50 state quarters with both mint marks. The combination of mint mark condition and rarity of the specific coin can make some quarters more desirable than others. In terms of historical significance, the California Quarter captures an important part of American history and culture. The Gold Rush shaped the economic development of the West and led to rapid population growth and the establishment of many cities in California. The grizzly bear and the Eureka motto tie the coin to the state identity and offer collectors a way to connect with history while enjoying the beauty of the coin itself. Collectors should also consider storage and care to preserve the value of their coins. Coins should be stored in a dry, cool place and ideally kept in protective holders to prevent damage from handling or environmental factors. Collecting quarters like the California 2005 quarter can be a rewarding hobby both financially and educationally, and it allows collectors to appreciate the artistry, history, and craftsmanship involved in coin production. The history of the United States California Quarter 2005 is closely tied to the 50-state quarters program, which was launched by the United States Mint in 1999 and continued through 2008. The program was designed to honor each of the 50 states in the order that they ratified the Constitution or were admitted to the Union. It was created to generate interest in coin collecting and to educate the public about the history and culture of each state. The program became one of the most successful numismatic initiatives in U.S. history and brought millions of Americans into the hobby. California was the 31st state to join the Union in 1850, and the design of the 2005 quarter reflects key moments and symbols from the state's rich history. On the reverse side of the coin, the depiction of Sutter's Mill commemorates the discovery of gold in 1848, which sparked the California Gold Rush, a major event that brought hundreds of thousands of people to the region and dramatically accelerated California's population growth and economic development. The California grizzly bear shown on the coin is the official state animal and a symbol of strength and independence. It is also featured on the state flag and represents the pioneering spirit of early settlers. The motto Eureka, which is inscribed on the coin, is derived from Greek meaning "I have found it," and refers specifically to the discovery of gold at Sutter's Mill. This phrase became an official part of the California state seal and reflects the optimism and ambition of the people who came to California seeking fortune and opportunity. The obverse of the coin features George Washington, the first president of the United States, whose portrait has been a constant on quarters since 1932. Washington represents the continuity and unity of the nation, while the reverse highlights the unique heritage of California. The California quarter is therefore both a piece of currency and a miniature monument to American and state history. The coin was minted at the Philadelphia and Denver mints with mint marks P and D respectively. The widespread circulation of these coins means that most are commonly found, but those in uncirculated condition or with special errors can be historically significant to collectors. The condition of a 2005 United States California quarter is one of the most important factors that determines its value for collectors. Coins are graded based on their state of preservation and the amount of wear they show from circulation. A coin that has been used in everyday transactions will show signs of wear such as scratches, dullness, or slight flattening of the design details, while a coin that has been carefully preserved will retain its original luster and sharpness. Uncirculated coins are those that have never been used in commerce. They show no signs of wear, and the details of the design are crisp and clear. The surface of the coin has a natural shine that is often referred to as mint luster. These coins are highly sought after by collectors because they represent the coin exactly as it left. The mint grading services use a numerical scale from 1 to 70 to assign a grade to coins. Coins in lower grades such as poor or fair may be heavily worn with major scratches or dents, while coins in higher grades such as MS63, MS65, or MS70 are in pristine condition. MS stands for mint state, and coins in this category are considered uncirculated. The higher the grade, the more valuable the coin is likely to be. Collectors also look for specific characteristics such as sharpness of the lettering, the clarity of the images on the coin, and the absence of any marks, spots, or discoloration. Coins that have been cleaned improperly can lose value because cleaning can scratch the surface and remove the natural luster. Error coins or coins with unusual features can also be valuable regardless of condition. For example, a California quarter with a minting error such as a double die, off-center strike, or missing letters may be worth more to collectors even if it has minor wear. Proper storage is essential to maintain the condition of a quarter. Coins should be kept in a dry environment, ideally in protective holders or coin albums, to prevent scratches, corrosion, or other damage. Over time, a coin in excellent condition can become increasingly rare and desirable, making it a valuable part of any collection. In summary, the condition of a 2005 California quarter ranges from heavily circulated coins worth face value to pristine uncirculated coins with full mint luster that may have a premium value. The better the condition, the more appealing the coin is to collectors and the greater its potential value in the numismatic market.